Well, hello everybody. Welcome to G Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. Here we are on June 23rd, 3:46 in the afternoon, and I decided to call it a day. It's a little hot out there, but not bad. But you see the humidity is only 9%, so it's not bad at all. But the winds are starting to come up again, and we're getting every now and then we get a 16 mile an hour gust. But other than that, it's been calm all day. Been a beautiful day for getting some work done. So we're gonna move on outside here and show you what's been getting done. So I got up early this morning, had my breakfast, did my morning chores, fed the girls, things like that. Then I came up out here and I got set up and I made myself some snake screens. So this is the one for this container, and I marked it. That's the top left corner on the blue container. Then move over to the other one, and here we go. Got another one here. That top left corner in the orange container. So what that does is it lets me know I don't mix them up, and they fit perfectly. I mean, they are snug all the way around, and I don't have to have any catches on them or anything like that. As you can see, they just lock right into place like that. So that'll keep out any little critters from getting in there. I did have a lizard get in, and I tried to chase him back out, but he decided he liked the shady room a little bit better, so he took off behind my workbench, and now I can smell him. He didn't last much in there with that thing closed up, so he couldn't get food or water or anything like that. Yeah, I have my little compressor out here because I was using the stapler over there to staple those corners together. Hey, look, there's no doors over here leaning up against the container. Oh, there they are. Yep, that's what I did today. I got that framed in between the two containers. I got the door in, and I have it open right now. The wind is coming from my backside right now, but yeah, I can close that right up like that. Lock the lock, and we are secure. So I have the handle in the van right now, getting ready to rekey it. So that'll be coming up here real soon. I've got to get some of the siding to close all of this in, and I'm sure somebody's going to ask how come I have a couple of 4x4s up there. Well, that's something I like to do when I'm working with that siding, because I don't have to put sheathing underneath it. You normally would, but to save money, I don't, because I'm going to be coating the inside wall here anyway. So it'll be a double thick wall, and I'll throw some insulation in there so when the sun is beating right on it, it doesn't heat up this area in between here. But what I do is, that's right where the seams are. So coming from that side over to the center of that 4x4 is the first 4 feet. That's the second 4 feet. And then there's a 2-foot section left over. So I got 10 foot across here, like I said it would be. And the doors, of course, in here with 2 1-foot sides. I got my king studs in, and my supports, and my header. I used a 4x4 header here, and then I doubled the 2x6s up at that point because I wanted that nice and solid. And you might be thinking, well, how did he get those up there by himself? Well, same way I got the door over here by myself. Work smart, not hard. See a little board up there with the 2 screws in it? I marked where these 2 2x6s, the bottoms of them would be, and then I put that on there as a temporary holder, so I could slant my board up, rest it on top of there, and then I come over here and walk up the ladder with the other end and get it aligned and shoot a couple of screws in, and then come over to this side and shoot a couple of screws in. That's how that was done. And the door, I'm going to let you guess how I moved that 400-pound door over here. But it wasn't that hard. I mean, I've had tougher chores. And I lubed up the wheels and all of that before putting it in here. But this has a double catch on it. One at the top, one at the bottom. And when that's locked in place with the little stop that's up inside of the roller on the top, the door can't be lifted out as a security measure. Excuse me, I'm going to sneeze. Whoa. All right, so I got that all in there, and we'll come around the outside here so you can see. And the flies are horrendous. I mean, I've caught thousands of flies in my water buckets over there, the ones with the sugar water in them. And yeah, there's a lot of flies this year. And there's one that's irritating me right now, going after my arms. They always go after the hand that's occupied. You ever notice that? It's like they really know you can't do anything because your hand is occupied. All right. I did take my shower already and cooled down and rehydrated my skin. And then I went inside and had a couple of glasses of ice cold water and relaxed a little bit before I came out here to shoot this video. And that's all there is for today. It's going to be a short one today, giving you guys a break. I'm going to get some more work done tomorrow. And on the other end of the container, I'm going to be putting sort of a garage door type setup on there, so that I can actually, I'll clean out this first section here, and I'm going to have a tilt-up garage door here. And what I can do is, on the super hot sunny days in the summer, all of this stuff will be cleaned out of here. My workshop will be back there, and the rest of my workshop, of course, is inside the blue container. But I'm going to make enough room so I can actually back my van in here and close the door down, and then people don't know if I'm here or not. Sneaky, huh? But also it'll keep the van cool, because the sun does tear things up, and until I get a carport built, that'll be my little area to give the van a break from the sun. And while I was just sitting inside, giving myself a relaxation and drinking some cold water, I got to thinking, what I think I'm going to do is I think I'm going to enclose this front porch, kind of screen it in. I'm going to put up a short pony wall, probably 3 feet high. It will be a solid wall at the bottom, so I can put some electrical outlets out here and be able to plug things in if I need to. I've got my homemade table here, because now I have the other table inside, so I can come out here and on the nice mornings and stuff, and I can have breakfast outside with the breeze blowing through, and I'll have the screened tops on. And I think I'm going to put 3 doors in. I'm going to have one door going out there, one door going out there, and one door going out there. And that'll give me some access. But this is still in the planning stages. And maybe instead of 3 doors, I just put 1 door in the front here, and I'll use that to go out. The only reason I was thinking I was going to put one over here was because of laundry. But that laundry room is another project. I'm going to be adding another room onto the cabin there. That'll be a laundry room and completely enclosed out of the weather for the winter. So I can do laundry on a rainy day, but I can't dry it on a rainy day because my dryer is outside. All right, that's it. G-Bear reminding you, give me a thumbs up down there, please. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have, and you haven't posted a comment yet, please do. Question, just say neat, good, or whatever, 1-word comment, so I can welcome you aboard. G-Bear signing off.